Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello my student of 4th grade ICP. How are you today? Welcome back with me, Miss Sia, in Math. Now, we study chapter 7 about percentage. Let's go. Percent. Look at the picture. In the garden, there are 100 tulips. 75 of them are red. So, 75 out of 100 tulips are red. There are 3 ways to express this. The first, compare the number of red tulips with the total number of tulips. Number of red tulips and the total number of tulips. The number of red tulips are 75 and the total number of tulips are 100. Now we divide it into 3 ways. The first as a fraction, and then second as a decimal, and the third as a percentage. As a fraction, we can write 75 hundredths. As a decimal, we can write 0.75. And as a percentage, we can write 75%. Remember, we read 75% as 75%. Understand? Look at the picture. The big square is divided into 100 equal parts. 25 parts are shared. So, 25 out of 100 parts are shared. 2500 of the big square is shared. 25% of the big square is shared. Look at the picture again. Okay, how many percentage of the big square is shared? Alright, 48% of the big square is shared. There are 48 of the big square is shared. And how many percent of the big square is not shared? How to find the 5 result without counting the box 111? Okay. With the total number of square, subtract with square set. 100 subtract 48 is 52. So, the big square is not shared are 52. Express each of the following as percentage. 72 out of 100 is blah 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 percent. Remember, if there is a word 100, it means 100. So, 72 out of 100 is 72%. Ingat, jika ada kata out of 100, itu artinya per 100. Artinya 72 per 100. 72 per 100 sama dengan 72%. Jika ada kata out of 100, it means 100%. 39 out of 100 is how many percent? Who can answer? Alright, 39 out of 100 is 39%. Next, 50 out of 100 is how many percent? That's right, it's 15%. Now, express its fraction as a percentage. 1700 is blah 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 percent. Who can answer? Alright, 1700 is 17%. 6800 is okay, 68%. And 400 is blah 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 percent. Okay, 4%. Okay, express its fraction as a percentage. 7/10. Look at this. 7/10 is same 70/100. Find the equivalent fraction of 7/10 that has 100 as its denominator. Temukan pecahan yang setara dengan 7/10 yang memiliki 100 sebagai penyebutnya. Jadi harus dijadikan per 100 dulu. Oke, 7/10 harus dijadikan per 100. 7/10 is 70/100. 7/10 sama dengan 70/100. 70/100 is blah 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 percent. Is okay, 70%. 3/10 is 30/100. 30/100 is how many percent? Alright, 30%. Express its decimal as a percentage. 0.45 is same 45/100. 0,45 sama dengan 45/100. Okay, 45/100 is 45%. It's very easy, you know. 0.7 is 0.70. 0.70 we can write 70/100. 70/100 is 70%. 0.03 we can write 300. 300 we can write 3%. Express percentage as a fraction in its simplest form. Dirubah persen dari pecahan menjadi bentuk paling sederhana. Percent, we can write 800. The ways is 800. We can divide the numerator and denominator by the same number. Kita dapat membagi penyebut dan pembilangnya dengan angka yang sama. If the numerator is divided by the 4, and then denominator must be divided by 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2, and then 100 divided by 4 is 25. So the simplest form from 800 is 225. The next 64% is 6400. The width is 6400 divided by 4, and then 100 also divided by 4 is 16/25. So the simplest form from 6400 is 16/25. Now, express percentage as a decimal. 48% is 4800. 4800 is 0.48. 7% is, you can write 700. 700 is 0.07. And the last 90% is 90/100. 90/100 is 0.9. Okay, my student, thank you for attention and thank you for watching. Good luck, my student. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.